Madam, hold on now. Why you go push me like that?
So let's do this thing.
I shall be sorry if I stand and I go say Ashewo to get pay body.
Why are you shouting now?
You carry Ashewo come hotel. You know go give her food chop.
Exactly.
I mean they take empty belly to the knack.
Hey! Are you not aware you are coming here to work? I know supposed to eat from here before coming here. Okay, let's do this thing, Jabe.
Madam, no food, no work.
It's fine. I've already ordered food and drinks for the both of us.
Very good.
At least let's eat this one. Eh? Sorry.
Yes, come in.
Good day, sir.
Ah, good day.
Sir, I just wanted to know whether you were returning the room or you're checking out.
No. I dey come out, I not the return.
Okay, sir. I just want to remind you that the things you ordered yesterday and the champagne has not been paid for, sir. And the lady you came with, she took an extra takeaway and a champagne too. She said the bill is for the room, sir. Your total balance is 350,000 naira, sir.
Jesus. 350,000.
Yes, sir.
For Ashewo they carry me till daybreak 25,000. I want to pay.
Boss, this is my first time working here. I can't pay that money with my salary because I'm the one on duty, sir. Please, maybe I should call my manager so that he can attend to you. Maybe call the police.
No. It's okay. Please just give me 1 minute, eh? Let me just make up. Yeah? I beg. Hello? Guy, how far? I beg. I need your help. A day serious mess. The customer will carry me last night. The woman loseguard me. She not pay. I will tell the drumming money. Just help me with 100k, I beg.
You know my kind now. I go send them.
Thank you. Hold on, please. Hello, Owambi.
Hello, Solo.
Owambi, I beg, I need your help. I feel like 300k for your first.
Solo.
That money large.
At least I will give you back once I come over here this.
No wahala now. Just give me a minute.
Correct. Thank you. God will bless you. Thank you. Please, your account number.
5820 Dion's Cottage. Yes, that's it.
Okay. I've sent the money.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. Madam, good day. Well done, sir. Hey, madam. I no come hear from you again.
What I try to say?
Now, maybe the tale of what you say make us so 6 senator natives for your husband. Those clothes are ready. I've been trying to call you. Your number not to go.
Honey? So you wanted to surprise me?
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much. You know I love you, right?
I know.
And I told you, in this world and in the next world, you always be mine.
But madam, you never pay me.
Hey.
Yes.
How much is it?
Just 2 million naira, sir.
Oh, God, you are a thief. 2 million for another senator?
It's fine.
No, where is he getting the material from Ebu?
Oga, if you see the styles where I sew,
You are that guy.
These styles are nice. You will love it. Let me just pay. Don't worry. Please put in your account number.
this is the way your husband they call me thief. So, if I show one thief,
He doesn't understand. I've sent it. Please confirm.
okay, sin. Well done. Okay.
Hello, sir. When are you delivering my materials?
You go ask your wife.